Hi, in this video, we're going to publish your app in Lovable, and we're going to do some basic app testing, which is really not so hard as it sounds. Let's jump right into our Lovable dashboard. You'll see a blue button called Publish at the upper right-hand corner. If you click that, you can edit the website address where you want to publish the app. Let's just go with a simple Taskmaster demo for now. You can also edit details of like what the title of your app should be. In this case, let's go with Taskmaster, a simple to-do app. Once you're done, click Save and then click Publish. Once Lovable is done publishing, you can now share their website address with your friends and they can now tinker with your app as well. Before you share your app, I strongly urge you to do some user acceptance testing. Sounds really complicated, right? Don't worry, man. That just means going through all the buttons and features in your app and making sure they all work well so that you don't deliver a flawed product to your friends, just like what I'm doing on the screen right now. And that's it. Are you still stunned that you've created something in just a few minutes? Don't worry, there's more to come. In the next video, I will show you how to link something called a GitHub account to your Lovable account. Real software teams do this, so it's definitely something for you to pick up. And I'll see you in the next one.